Hello, wonderful souls, and welcome to Healing Kitchen, your go-to source for natural remedies and wellness tips. If you've been battling a persistent cough, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore effective ways to address both wet and dry coughs, using simple ingredients found in your kitchen. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our helpful content. Let's get started. Ever been caught in the throes of a persistent cough and wondered how to find relief? If so, you're certainly not alone. Coughing, while a natural response of the body, can sometimes become a nagging problem that disrupts our daily routine. The constant tickle in your throat, the unstoppable urge to cough, the sleepless nights, all can make a simple cough feel like a big hindrance. While over-the-counter medicines may offer temporary relief, long-term solutions often reside in the natural resources around us. On today's episode of Healing Kitchen, we'll traverse through the green world of herbs, spices, and other natural remedies that have proven their efficacy against a stubborn cough over generations. We'll explore the power of ingredients like honey, ginger, and turmeric, and learn how to incorporate them into our everyday meals. We'll also look at how certain lifestyle changes can help to boost our body's natural immunity and keep coughs at bay. From time-tested traditional remedies to newly discovered natural treatments, we'll discuss them all, hoping to provide you with the necessary knowledge to tackle that annoying cough head-on and regain your serenity. Today on Healing Kitchen, we delve into the world of natural remedies for this common yet often bothersome ailment. First off, it's vital to recognize that not all coughs are identical in nature or cause. The variety of coughs exists due to different bodily responses to various irritants and illnesses. One such example is a wet cough, which communicates an essential bodily function: the body's attempt to clear out excess mucus that might be clogging up your respiratory system. This mucus be a result of an infection or an allergy, and your body expels it through a wet cough. In contrast, a dry cough represents an entirely different situation. It usually stems from irritation or inflammation in the throat and does not involve the expulsion of mucus. One might experience dry cough due to exposure to dust, smoke, or other such allergens. It also can be a sign of an underlying health condition such as asthma or gastroesophageal reflux disease. More often than the most common culprits behind a nasty cough are the common cold or flu. These widespread viral infections can cause a series of symptoms, including a persistent cough. The type of cough, whether wet or dry, can indicate the nature of the infection, assisting in their diagnosis. Now, having armed ourselves with this extensive knowledge about the different types of coughs, their causes, and what they signify, we are in a better position to delve deeper. We can investigate different natural remedies to soothe and possibly overcome the irritating and often debilitating symptom that is a cough. So let's explore how to tackle these coughs naturally. Ever heard of the candy cure? This age-old remedy traces its roots back to our ancestors who found innovative ways to deal with common ailments. The candy cure, as it's fondly known, is a perfect solution for those grappling with the discomfort of a wet cough. It's a testament to the health benefits that certain candies can provide. You might be wondering, how does this work? The concept is pretty straightforward. Sucking on horehound candy, often found on the shelves of your local drugstores, can work wonders. This innocuous-looking candy is packed with properties that act as an expectorant. It helps in the expulsion of phlegm, thereby providing relief from the nagging cough that's been bothering you. Let's shift gears and talk about dry coughs, another annoying problem that plagues many. There's a different candy cure for this. For those with a dry cough, you can opt for slippery elm lozenges or simply any hard candy. Surprised? It might sound unorthodox, but it works. The lozenges and hard candy are instrumental in increasing saliva production. This increased saliva, in turn, suppresses the cough. It's a simple yet efficient way of combating that pesky cough that seems resistant to most over-the-counter medications. What's fantastic about the candy cure is the IT offers. There's a candy for almost every type of cough. One just needs to explore. Whether it's a candy from the drugstore or a homemade one, rest assured your cough will be tamed. Stay tuned as we spill the beans on a homemade remedy. This uses peppermint candy, lemon juice, and honey, which are common kitchen ingredients to soothe the throat. These ingredients together create a soothing concoction that not only tastes delicious but also works effectively against that stubborn cough. So the next time you're dealing with a wet or dry cough, remember the candy cure. It might just be the sweet relief you're looking for. Keep listening for a homemade remedy using peppermint candy, lemon juice, and honey to soothe the throat. Now let's delve into the world of homemade syrups. The process is straightforward, accessible, and offers an opportunity to embrace a touch of ancient wisdom in your health regimen. You don't need any particularly elusive ingredients nor specialized tools. In fact, most of what you'll need is likely already in your kitchen. Consider, for instance, the classic combination of lemon and honey. This core duo is enhanced with a pinch of cayenne pepper. The recipe is simple and the preparation is swift. First, source a fresh, ripe lemon. The more fragrant the lemon, the more potent its beneficial compounds will be. Squeeze the lemon to extract juice. You'll then move on to the honey. Opt for raw, unprocessed honey if available, as this variant retains more of the beneficial nutrients. Combine the lemon juice and honey in a jar, allowing the flavors to marry together. Add a pinch of cayenne pepper to the mix. The spice will give your syrup a kick, but it also serves a medicinal purpose. The honey soothes the throat, acting as a natural salve to irritated tissues. The lemon reduces inflammation and provides a potent dose of vitamin C. This not only helps to boost your immune system, but also assists in fighting off any lingering pathogens. The cayenne pepper, meanwhile, boosts circulation, helping to speed up the healing process. The combination of these three ingredients creates a trifecta of healing properties, working together to ease discomfort and promote recovery. Alternatively, consider syrup. This may sound unusual, but onions contain compounds that trigger the cough reflex and aid in bringing up phlegm. Onions are excellent expectorants, helping clear congestion from the lungs and respiratory tract. The sweet caramelized flavor of the onion syrup is surprisingly palatable, and it provides a different but equally beneficial approach to homemade medicinal syrups. For a pleasant old-time remedy, consider this simple yet efficacious concoction. Start by gathering your ingredients: the tangy slices of fresh ripe lemons, the soothing sweetness of golden honey, and a sprinkle of the unique horehound leaves and flowers. The horehound plant, having its roots in traditional European herbal medicine, brings with it a range of health benefits. Next, combine your ingredients in a pot. The lemons, when exposed to heat, will release their citrusy aroma, mixing beautifully with the robust sweetness of the honey. The horehound will infuse into this mixture, lending its distinct flavor profile. Then, you'll want to let your mixture simmer gently on the stove. As it simmers, the syrup will begin to thicken, signaling that it's nearly ready. You'll find that the aroma filling your kitchen is simply irresistible, carrying a hint of nostalgia and comfort. Once your syrup has achieved the desired thickness, the next step is to strain this beautiful mixture, making sure only the smooth syrup is left. Finally, let it cool down. It's not just a syrup. It's a journey back in time, a sip of tradition and warmth. Strain and cool. Thyme tea is another beneficial option. Thyme, an herb with aromatic, pungent, and somewhat bitter taste, is highly cherished for its countless beneficial properties. Known for its culinary uses, it is also appreciated for its medicinal benefits, which are primarily associated with respiratory health. Thyme has the ability to calm and soothe the respiratory tract, making breathing easier for those suffering from respiratory conditions. It acts as an effective expectorant, helping to dissolve and expel mucus, providing relief during a bout of cold, flu, or a coughing fit. The process of preparing thyme tea is simple and straightforward, calling for just a few ingredients. With fresh or dried thyme in hand, steep it in hot water, allowing the essential oils and medicinal compounds to infuse into the liquid. Once steeped, strain the tea to remove the thyme leaves. To balance out the strong flavor of thyme, you can add honey to taste and drink it warm. Honey complements the taste of thyme and also adds its own soothing and antibacterial properties to the tea. To make the tea, steep fresh or dried thyme in hot water, strain, add honey to taste and drink. Lastly, consider sipping on marshmallow tea. This isn't just an ordinary beverage, it's an old-time remedy with abundant health benefits. The marshmallow plant, scientifically known as Althea officinalis, is a perennial species indigenous to Europe, Western Asia, and North Africa. It's been used for centuries to treat a variety of health conditions, including coughs, skin irritation, and digestive problems. The leaves and roots of the marshmallow plant are used to extract a substance that, when mixed with water, forms a gooey, slippery substance we call mucilage. This mucilage is a powerhouse of soothing properties. It's this very quality of the marshmallow plant that makes the tea so beneficial. When you sip on the marshmallow tea, the mucilage coats the throat, providing a soothing effect. It doesn't stop there, it also thins the mucus in the lungs. By doing so, it aids in reducing chest congestion, making it easier for your body to expel the mucus. The effect? It becomes much easier to cough up the mucus. In essence, this isn't just a warm, comforting beverage, it is a natural remedy that has been trusted and used for generations. So the next time you feel the onset of a cough or cold, remember to brew a cup of marshmallow tea. Remember, these are natural remedies and should not replace professional medical advice. It's crucial to bear in mind that while these remedies are derived from nature, they do not carry the same guarantees as conventional medicine. These are to be used as supplementary measures and should not be your primary form of treatment. They're great for providing temporary relief, but they are not a long-term solution, especially for chronic or severe health issues. Furthermore, it's also worth noting that the effectiveness of these remedies can vary significantly from individual to individual. What works for one person may not necessarily work for another. This variability is due to differences in body chemistry, genetic lifestyle habits, and overall health status. Therefore, always consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen. Seeking proper medical attention is essential, especially when dealing with health issues or intensify over time. This is a clear sign that the body is struggling to heal itself and may require more specialized care. Thank you for joining us today on Healing Kitchen. We genuinely appreciate your support and engagement. Your positive reception of our videos motivates us to keep delivering educational and informative content. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. This simple action helps to increase our visibility and reach more viewers. Please share it with loved ones too. And mention in comments what's your best home remedy for cough. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more healing tips. Join our community to stay updated on the latest in natural health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.